All right, what up, gang? So this is a trade recap for the London session. So as you can see, I took like three trades during the London session, and the first trade I took targeting these highs right here, that high. That's what I was looking on GBP as a drawn liquidity for the day, and expected to get a sell off after that. But so I what I did bought right here. The first trade I took, I went long right there, and my stop loss was more of, yeah, was right around here, but I trailed my stop loss because of price taking this big pullback. But after that, when price broke that high right there, I ended up trailing my stop loss below that low, and got stopped out with that move right there. So first trade invalid. So first trade we took a loss, and then we went short, bro. We, we went short on that candle because we had an SMG right here, and we I am bearish on USD, and I'm bearish on GBP but to be honest with you all, but I wanted to see these highs to be swept first, then SL up. But I'm a foolishly entered a short right there, stopped out again. I didn't took that much loss on that trade. Let me show you all. I'll show you all that trade. So yeah, I didn't took that much loss in that trade. We took a 68 buck loss. I took 68 bucks loss, and then we went long again as soon as we inverse that one, and we had an bullish SMT right there. We had an bullish SMT right there, right there. You could see. So this right here didn't made a higher high, but this right here made a lower low. So that was the manipulation. Like, so I went in, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Like literally, bro, price was so close to our take profit, and it totally reversed on us, bro. And we took two, two losses there. We One was 26 bucks because we trailed our stop loss too tight, bro. We trailed our stop loss too tight on that trade, and we were on like almost like 120 bucks profit on that trade, but we ended up taking a loss. And I also added another contract when price stepped into that one more time, but yeah, took some loss on that trade. And lastly, as soon as I got out of the trade, I said to myself that yeah, that's it. Price is not gonna go up there because we already, if you see, we already made that SMT. As soon as this candle closed, I knew that I'm gonna get stopped out in this trade right here. So what I did, I closed that fucking trade and went short right there and targeted these lows right here. I wanted to target this low right here, that low right here, Friday's New York session low. But bro, you could see every time I uh, wait for my take profit to get hit, price ended up reversing on me. Like seriously, bro. Like look at this, bro. We were up like 14 pips on that trade, but it ended up stopping us out. And then so I got out around, I guess, right here. So that was like 20 pips, and my stop loss was too tight on that trade. Why? Let me tell you all why I put a uh, tight stop loss on that trade. Let me show you all that, bro. That's on the 1 minute time frame. So right here you could see that price inverse that fair value gap. So above that inversion fair value gap, what do we have? We have this swing high right here, that 1 minute swing high. So that was like a significant swing high. So price should not like swap that high at any cost if we want to go lower. So with that in mind, I shorted that one contract. Yeah, I shorted one contract there. I tried to short two contract, but already I was down like 160 buck for the day. So I ended up shorting one contract, and you got out right around here. So that puts me like break even for the day. I'm in profit for 25 bucks, but I traded five lot in the on my funding pips 10k evil. So five lots, they charge you 25 bucks as commission. So let me show you all the trade. So there is the trade you can see. Yes, there it is. And let me show you all the trade. Yep, there it is. There it is. There are the trade. Fuck. What the fuck? There are the trades. I guess you can say this. Can you see this? Fuck, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, there it is. Also, I took that trade on my Finity funding account, and we took some losses on that account too. So we also on break even on that account. So here is the trade on the trades that I took on my funding pips account. I took the same trade on my Finity funded account. So here are the trades on my Finity funded account. Let me show you all the. So right now the balance is at 49,512 bucks. Not bad at all for a like negative dip. I mean, we didn't take any loss to be honest. On my Finity funding account, we up like 104 bucks for today. On my funding page, we were able to like recover all our losses for the day with that one trade. So that was pretty good for me, to be honest with y'all. I don't want to rush to post this account because every time I do that, I end up uh, losing that account. So let's see how we do. And if you find this video insightful, make sure to sub up and leave a like, bro. And comment down if you want to see something new on this channel. Comment down your thoughts on this trade. And yeah, I'll see you guys during the stream.